guys, how are you? So this video is brought to you in collaboration with the change of weather. I was actually on my way for a dip in the pool. The one time that I'm actually on staycation, it decides to bloody rain. So here we are shooting another fashion video because life is all about improvising. You know what they say, when life gives you lemon, you make a fashion video. Nobody says that, but you get the point. So I've decided to actually excuse me, I decided to shoot some fun weekend casual lookbooks, especially for summer, given that I'm in Dar es Salaam and it's always summer, January through January. I mean, we have some rainy days, e.g. today, but we're just gonna go through that. I hope you guys can find some inspiration in these looks, and please let me know which of these looks is your favorite, or at least you will ever rock. This lookbook is inspired by my personal preference. I hope you can relate to at least one of them. I won't ramble for so long because I'm excited to actually shoot this video, so let's go.
You're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. You hear me through. No, I was bad for you, so I gotta tell the truth. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. We got some history, baby. It goes back to when you said you liked me. Went out for dinner, the movies. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The only thing to do is tell you I'm sorry. I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except.
And there you have it, guys, my weekend summer inspired lookbooks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun, and I don't even think I missed the swimming as much I had missed making these fashion videos. I'm going to bring them back. I just need to settle down. Please let me know in the comment section which of this lookbook did inspire you the most or resonate with you, or which of this style you feel like, I'm never gonna do that. I would also like to hear how you rock your weekend outfits during the summer. Thank you so much guys for watching. I had an absolute fun creating this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I post new videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. East African time. Yeah, and give me a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy this video. And I'll talk to all of you beautiful faces on the next one. That's next Sunday, in case it wasn't very obvious. Bye! Bye!